you for your reflection. In order to make STEM lessons gender responsive, research has pointed out different actions related to the methodology, which include the conversations and the group activities. Now, analyze your answers and check if you have found similar points or additional points to the ones highlighted in this table. Here are some examples of methodology you apply. On the side of the conversation, you may extend the positive reinforcement to both boys and girls. On the side of the group activities, you may ensure that both boys and girls have the same opportunities of leading group activities and presenting their findings. From the above mentioned actions, I think you have noticed some cases that need additional support to students, either girls or boys. What can you do more to make your lesson gender equitable? There is a list of actions that can help you to make STEM lessons gender equitable. Those points focus on the classroom arrangement, the teaching methodology, and attitudes and beliefs. Let's briefly explain each point. The first point is related to the classroom arrangement. Making STEM lessons more equitable requires you to put more emphasis on the classroom arrangement that will offer equal opportunity to all learners to learn, rather than treating all learners equally. For example, arranging desks in round table position or desks in row facing the teachers, you should make special effort to involve students, especially girls, who do not like to participate and bring up them to speak out. The second point is to teach students that academic abilities are expandable and improvable. To change girls' belief about their abilities and help them to resist to negative reactions toward science and mathematics, you should understand and inform them that abilities in STEM can be improved through consistent effort and learning. This will help them to keep working hard to increase their performance when they face difficulties or frustrations. The third point is to create the classroom environment that sparks the initial curiosity and fosters a long-term interest in science and mathematics. As you are all STEM teachers, have you observed any gender differences in your students' interests? Yeah, exactly. Even researchers have found some gender differences in STEM student interests. Boys are mainly interested in activities and careers involving scientific, technical, and mechanical pursuits, while girls are interested in activities and careers involving social and artistic pursuits. For example, many doctors and carpenters are males, while many primary teachers and nurses are females. Therefore, You have to cultivate students' long-term interest in STEM by building upon their curiosity. The next point is related to gender responsiveness in classroom interactions. To make our STEM lessons gender responsive, we should improve the quality of interactions both between teachers and learners and among learners. For example, you may focus on the conversation. Allow sufficient time for students to answer questions, especially girls who may be shy or afraid to speak out. Also, you may mix both girls and boys in group activities. The last point, but not the least one, is to exposure girls to female role models. Since the stereotype threat can devalue girls' and women's potential and lower their performance expectations, it is important to invite women or elder students who have achieved a lot in STEM subjects to be guest speakers or tutors. They can serve as role models in STEM by communicating that becoming good at mathematics and science requires hard working, and self-doubts are a normal part of the process of becoming expert in any field. Do you have any female role models at your school place that could be invited to serve as guest speakers or tutors? Maybe yes or no, but still there are nationwide known female scientists in Rwanda, even in Africa. You can refer to Rwandan Association for Women in Science and Engineering, RAWIS. Also, you can refer to OSD National Chapter in Rwanda. FAO, all of you know FAO, which is located in East Africa. Ups and Girls, located in Tanzania, and so on. All those organizations contains females which can serve as role models. Now, do you really think that it is important to exposure girls to women who achieved a lot in science and mathematics? Let's invite you to join the online forum discussion, where you will discuss about the importance of female role models in STEM. After watching the video entitled Joining the Ranks of Neurosurgery, My Impossible Dream, which is done by Dr. Claire Karekezi. Before joining the forum discussion, we conclude that this section has equipped you with different strategies that can help you to make the STEM lessons gender responsive. They focus on the classroom arrangement, the teaching methods, and attitudes and beliefs. Thank you for your kind attention and participation. Enjoy our forum discussion and the next presentation about inclusive education.